get me? Let's see what he says. What's up? No.
No? You don't need a driver's license?
No, it's registered as an e-bike.
Do what?
It's registered as an e-bike.
Okay.
Class 2.
Do what?
Class 2.
Class 2?
Yeah.
It's registered as an e-bike. A class 2 e-bike.
By law, yeah.
Doesn't need a tag?
No, it comes regulated to the state's laws as an e-bike.
Well, other than that, there's a couple different issues of like the tires being street legal and it being that's not a street legal vehicle to be traveling on the roadway, I don't think.
From where I ordered it, it's regulated, like it's set to the e-bike laws here, like to wherever you live. Only goes 30. Yeah.
I'm about to get it.
Hello there.
Woo!
No. Hello.
Hi, can I have a name for the order?
Can I get no drink if possible?
No drink?
Uh-huh. Bro, why is he still there? Go. If I don't look, should be fine. Huh? Oh, what? Oh shoot, my bad. I didn't realize I was taking photos. Yeah, appreciate it. We're both gonna get it. We're good? We'll pull over here. You're good, you're good. At least we pulled over. You're good.
I went through a reach stop, speed, split lanes, and no license plate. It's tucked up under.
Oh.
License insurance for both of y'all. Is there a reason why you're riding the way you're riding?
I have no idea. No excuse, sir.
Man, y'all going too fast. Weaving in our traffic. That's dangerous. Y'all are gonna get hit.
That's
theft of service. I was watching the whole thing, dude. I was watching y'all coming. Four units up there, and we have 3 coming up.
Yeah, we saw.
You
2 past there. I got my ID. My insurance is on my phone.
Okay.
You want me to pull it up?
Sure, go ahead.
Oh, by the way, I am a CCW holder. I have one right here.
Okay, good deal.
You want to take it or you're?
No, you're good. Just keep your hands above your waist. That's it.
100%.
Where y'all going? Where y'all going?
Richardson.
Richardson? Oh, is that where y'all go to school there? Does your bike have insurance? And that plate?
It was my bad. I was taking photos and videos of it.
Okay.
And then I had to tuck it in so it wasn't on YouTube or anything.
Right. Well, I got
But
you.
yeah, I take full offense. I'm sorry about that.
Right.
Yeah.
Got it? So, it's going to be a warning for the speed and a warning for having that plate tucked up.
Okay, I appreciate that. Oh my God, bro. God is good. God is good. God is so good. I should just pull over at this point. I'll pull over. Yeah, I knew it. Damn it, bro. It's gonna be me for sure. I don't know, bro. It's so funny. I'm just gonna say that we're taking pictures and I forgot. I'll say I was on the GoPro. Oh, is he Indian? Hello?
Where's your LP at?
Huh?
License plate at?
Oh my God. So that was my bad. We were just at Hope's parking garage. We were taking pictures.
Stop the cap.
And I had to fold it up. Yeah, that's my bad. You can check everything. Did you want my license?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, I got you. We're going to UTD for a bike meet. So we're just heading there. You're Indian?
Yeah.
Are you Malayali?
Isaac, shut the hell up! Damn!
Oh, did you want my insurance or anything?
Let me see if I can pull it up on my end.
Okay. I have it on. It's through my phone on Geico.
Give me 1 second.
No worries. Shit.
Move that little rubber duck off of it.
Huh?
Move that,
Oh yeah. Shit. He doesn't sound nice or happy. Usually cops are like always playful. Oh, I should have told him that I'm carrying, huh? I forgot. It's fine. It's too late. It's too late. Yeah. I don't know. Blunt. Hey. Yeah, yeah.
I love the new tech.
Oh, they alright. It's slow. What y'all got? They slow.
Oh, really? How fast can this go?
I have no idea.
Dang. What about the Chargers?
Charge pretty fast.
Pretty fast?
They'll get up there.
It's all like custom tuned.
Have a job, Joy riding, having a good time?
Yeah, we're about to head to a bike meet right now in UTD.
Oh, really?
Yeah. So we just left Hope Coffee and we're doing a couple of like pictures. So I had my plate folded up. So yeah, and I forgot and I just saw the guy and I literally just pulled in because I knew he feel like I might get a ticket. I don't know. I just feel like it because I don't know why it's taking this long. What about my jacket? I said
Fold them up for pictures so you don't want the plate in the pictures. That throw the picture off?
no, it's not that because like when I post on YouTube or like Instagram, I don't want my like plate just to keep it confidential wise.
Okay. So,
Yeah.
I'm old, brother. I dabble into social media just a little bit.
Oh, gotcha, yeah.
Posting and video.
Come on, why can't we go? Imagine he just comes out and said, all right, sir, put your hands behind you.
People seem to not respect bike riders for some reason, so.
Oh yeah, we know. But no, we're really safe.
Back in the day, old school trick, he rode bikes and he would always get road rage guys trying to hit him, run him over.
Oh really?
He had a bag full of ball bearings on the car. Ball bearings coming at 70 miles an hour. That's old school.
Yeah, no, we're not trying to be like that.
Done right in it. I get it.
Dang, bro, why is it taking this long?
Now the question is, do you actually know how to use your weapon?
Oh yeah,
Hey, boy.
It's called stress shooting.
yeah. Okay, thank you. ഉണ്ട്
അടുത്താണ് ആരെങ്കിലും പിടിക്കുകയാണെങ്കിൽ അതോടെ പറയണം കേട്ടോ.
അറിയാം ഞാൻ മറന്നു പോയി. നിങ്ങൾക്ക് ലൈസൻസ് ഉണ്ട്? Okay, thank you. Of course, you too. Let's go.